In the heart of Bristol, a mysterious hum resonates, captivating residents and scientists alike. But did you know this hum might hold a secret to better sleep? Recent studies reveal that low-frequency sounds, like the Bristol hum, can enhance deep sleep cycles, crucial for memory and mood. This natural sound therapy is gaining traction as a non-invasive way to improve sleep quality. Imagine drifting into a restful slumber, aided by the gentle hum of your surroundings. As research unfolds, the Bristol hum could become a beacon of hope for insomniacs worldwide. Discover the science of sound and sleep